The correct method of Qasr for ladies. Ladies often make a mistake when performing Qasr. They typically gather all their hair into a single bun and cut it all at once. In doing so, shorter strands of hair are often missed and they remain uncut. To ensure the ritual is performed correctly and completely, ladies should trim their hair in 3 stages. First, take the hair from the front right side and trim a fingertips length. Next, take the hair from the middle section and trim a fingertips length. Finally, take the hair from the back right side and trim a fingertips length. Repeat this 3-stage process for the hair on the left side as well. By following this method, Qasr will be performed thoroughly and correctly.